In this lecture, we are going to create a sitemap for your WordPress website. So, what is a sitemap? It's nothing but a map which contains every link that is to be indexed in your website. And this map will be in the form of a page full of links alone. So, how to create it? Go to plugins and click add new and search for Yoast SEO. YOAST SEO. Install the first plugin with 1 plus million active installs. Once installed, activate the plugin. Now go to SEO on the left side panel and then select XML sitemaps. You can go to the XML sitemap by clicking this button. These are the sitemaps that are created by XML sitemap or Yoast SEO plugin. When Google comes to this page, it will detect these two links and it will follow both these links, which will contain a list of another links. So this list contains all the posts in my website, and this link contains all the pages of my website. So if you just want to submit the post sitemap, then you can copy this sitemap URL, or if you want to submit the entire sitemap to Google or other search engines, then you can use this sitemap. So we have installed Yoast SEO plugin and we have created XML sitemap in this lecture. In the next lecture, you will learn how to add our website to Google Webmaster Tools or Search Console.